solemnly pledge that as a trainee of the ITI, I shall endeavor to take with full devotion the training that will be imparted to me and strive consistently to become the best craftsman in my trade. I further pledge not to commit anything unworthy as a trainee of the ITI or anything that will interfere with
today amongst you all on the day of your official induction into the ITI system. My young friends, there must be various reasons why you all have come and taken admission into the ITIs. Some of you all must have been dreaming to become engineers. Maybe you all wanted to pursue career in academics. Some of you all must have wanted to go into business or jobs. And some might have come because someone pushed you towards the ITI being the last option available. But whatever may be the reason, my young friends, I assure you, you have made the best decision of your life. And I'll tell you, all these dreams which I have told you about, becoming an engineer, businessman, job, going into academics, is possible through the ITI. If you want to become an engineer, what you have to do is remain faithful or obey the oath you have taken. You have said you will work hard and strive to be the best craftsman in your trade. And if you become the best craftsman in your trade and if you want to pursue your professional qualifications, there are options available for upward mobility. There are seats available for you at the diploma level. And if you excel at the diploma level, you can go into the degree level too. Those of you who would like to go into academics after an ITI course, you just appear as an external candidate, answer the language papers of the Goa board, and you can get 12th or 10th standard certificate. And my young friends, jobs are available aplenty. The only problem is our mindset. All of us youngsters would like to have a government job. And of course, with a different mindset. Why you want a government job, I don't want to tell you, you know very well. But we hardly look at the private sector. And even if a job is available in the private sector, we have a mindset of being underemployed rather than employed. You look at the pay package which you will get. If an industry is ready to offer you 5,000, 6,000 rupees, you say, no, I pretty sit well at home, I get more than 8,000 rupees. That's the mindset you have.
Level below the executive chef in the hierarchy who is the head of the kitchen department. And I am so happy with my job profession that I don't even think of government job actually. And I'm really happy to have taken that decision to join the ITI. And I know that tomorrow, even if I don't want to work in the hotel line, I have that much of confidence that I can start my own business and I can put my restaurant and I can just self-employment. I think even our honorable CM is motivating today's the youth to join the ITI or the private sector for the jobs and not to keep looking for the government job also. So friends, I hope my experience that I have shared with you motivate, and I would say you all are very lucky to have the teachers and to have the sirs like that we have in the ITI, and you are very lucky to join the ITI. So just say so thank you so much for my teachers and the very best of luck for your all futures.
Apart from the above, 107 trainees of hospitality management are undergoing 6 months specialist training in reputed hotels of the state. Recently, the government reconstituted our institute managing committee and Shri Gaurish Don is nominated as the chairman. Further, the process of registering IMC Society has been initiated for implementing model ITI project. This year, the institute has signed MOU with Hyundai Motors India Limited for certification course for automobile sector trainees. The training of the first batch of this course has been successfully completed, and the Hyundai partners from Goa, Hyundai and Alcon, have given 100% placement to our mechanic motor vehicle trainees.
आणि ताजे वयल्यान वयर गेले तुमी सगळे हांव इतलेंच सांगूंक सोदता शिकपाचें आसत जाल्यार टॅक्निकल सायडीक वता जाल्यार इंजिनियरींग इज द बेस्ट देर इज नो डावट अबाउट इट पॉलिटेक्नीक इज द नेक्स्ट पण बाकी सगळ्या गजालींनी आनी मेडिकल डेंटल सोडून बाकी सगळ्या हातूंत जर तूं म्हाका म्हणून विचारीत जाल्यार वीच इज द नेक्स्ट बेस्ट कोर्स जाल्यार तो ITI कारण ITIच्या कोर्सान वयर वचपाक मेळटा ती गजाल बरी आहा पण हो कोर्स कोर्सीस हातून आसा ते एक्च्युअल पोट भरपाक शिकयता BSc जाल्ल्या भुरग्याक कळत ना आपणें कितें करपाक तो फक्त विचार करता की शिकोवपाक नाल्यार खंय तरी क्लार्क म्हणून लागप BA जाल्ल्याक तर कांयच समजना कितें करप तें हांव म्हणजे समजना म्हणजे अक्कल ना अशें म्हणना फुडें कितें करप आपलें पोट कशें भरप तो घरांत बसता आनी आवय बापूय मागीर बाबडे हेवटेन तेवटेन खंय तरी ताका पोस्ट कितें क्लॅरिकल मेळटलो एकावंट्सवाल्याक मातशें कितें जमता GST आयल्यामुळे तांकां मातसो सद्या जीव आयला पण ITI वालो उपाशी पडना केन्ना आतां प्लंबर जालो खरें म्हणजे प्लंबिंगाचेर विथ द करंट टॅक्नॉलॉजी मनीस लाखांनी रुपया जोडूंक शकता सगळ्यात व्हडली कठीण गजाल खंयची आसत जाल्यार इलेक्ट्रिशियन घरां रिपेर करपाक मेळप आनी प्लंबर मेळप सादी गोश्ट आतां एक आपलें ॲप केलें आनी ॲप जर तूं लोकांक सगळ्यांक पावयलें कितेंय तुमच्या घरांत प्लंबिंगचो चोखपाक जाण भुरगे एके कडेन आयले इलेक्ट्रिशियन प्लंबर बारीक मेसनरी जमणारो आनी ह्या चोख 5 जाणांनी आपली एक स्पेशल मेंटेनन्स एक AC वालो मेंटेनन्स सर्वीस सुरू केली तुमकां ऑफिस नाका कोणी म्हणटा पयलीं ऑफिस घेवपाक गेल्यार 5 लाख रुपया लागता पण तुमकां ऑफिस नाका पण जाय आसत जर तूं जाल्यार EDCची मुख्यमंत्री रोजगारची योजना ताजे इतली बरी येवजण ना ते जर तूं स्वताचें कॅटरिंग करतलें तेजे तकलेन आसत जाल्यार ताणें ती योजनेचे डिटेल घ्या 50% पयशे सरकार इन्वेस्ट करता तुमच्या बिजनेसाक उरलेल्या 50%तले 25% तुका सबसिडी मेळटा आनी 25%तली फक्त 10% 5 ते 10% म्हणजे SC ST OBC आसत जाल्यार 5% विमेन असं जाल्यार 5% बाकीच्यांक 10% मॅक्सिमम इतले पयशे फक्त तुमकां घालता सगळें तुमी टूल किट सगळें सामान हाडटले आनी हाका सुद्दां एक 1.5-2 लाख रुपया खर्च जाता ही हें न्ही म्हणजे पयशे वाटपाची स्कीम न्ही एक्च्युअल कोणाक काम करपाची इच्छा आसा जाल्यार ताका सपोर्ट करूं येता हांव एक मुद्दम इतल्याकूच सांगता की ही स्किमीचो वापर तुमकां सगळ्यांक बरो जावचो 1 वर्स 2 वर्सां अनुभव घेतले 500 फ्रेंड एकी कडेन आयले तर तूं जाल्यार यू कॅन वर्च्युअली सर्वीस विचार फक्त जे द ओन्ली लिमिटेशन इज युअर इमॅजिनेशन अमेरिकेक एक सर्वीस आहा BMW ऑपरेट करतात पूर्ण अमेरिकेन गाडी खंय बंद पडत जाल्यार 2 वरां भितर गाडी तांची येता दुसरी आतां हेंच एप्लिकेशन तुमी स्कुटरीक लायात खंय गाडी बंद पडली जाल्यार आमी अर्दवरा भितर येवन रिपेर करता जाल्यार तुमकां थंय बरें मेळटलें पण प्लंबिंग इलेक्ट्रिकल एअर कंडिशनींग हाका मनीस मेळना जाय तितलें आनी म्हणून म्हाका दिसता की हातूंतल्यान अल्टिमेटली तुमी स्वताचो वेवसाय करपाच्या दिशेन फुडें वचूंक शकता आनी म्हणून हांव ताका चड म्हत्व दिता द स्कील वीच इज गिवन इज इम्पार्टेड टू यू हे लायफ लाँग उपयोग पडूंक शकता